Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another one. I was just doing this eye look and I felt like I should just come on here and show you guys how I established this look. So if you're interested in finding out how I did this look, just stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into my Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna get this cute little shade right here. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And this is just the brush that comes with all of their palettes, and I really do feel like this brush is slept on, but this brush is perfect for blending. So for the second shade, I'm going to dip into a different Morphe palette, and this is one of my favorite palettes by Morphe. This is the 35B palette. I'm going to take this navy shade right here, and I'm going to pick up a Shop Miss A brush, and this is the E136 brush. And I like this brush for this look because it's a little bit more tapered at the corner, so it's definitely a little bit easier to get right into that crease. After I have this eye all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and take my LA Pro Girl Conceal, and I'm going to cut my crease, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. So now I'm going to go back into my 35B palette. I'm going to take this white shade right up here in the corner, and I'm going to set my concealer. After I set my eyes with that white shade, I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm going to use this lime green shade right here, and this is called Sphere. So now I'm going to go back into my Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to take that same blue shade. I'm going to pick up this navy shade once again. I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to get this really light green shade right here. And I'm going to take this little tiny Luxie brush, and this is the Luxie 227T brush, and is the T for tiny? No? Okay. Okay guys, so my eye look is now complete, and this is what we're looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and move right on to my face. So for primer today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime. And this is said to hydrate and smooth your skin. It does exactly what it says it's supposed to do, and it does make your skin really smooth. And it definitely does hydrate your skin as well. And it feels so good going on the skin. So good. It feels so good. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever foundation. So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever on this flat brush. I just like to apply it directly to my face. So I'm going to take a Real Technique sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and start dabbing that in. So for concealing today, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Deep. I'm going to take the pointy side of that Real Technique sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out, starting with my chin area, my cupid's bow, and my nose first, and then moving on to the eyes. So for setting powder today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution setting powder, and this is in the shade Terracotta. I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm going to use the Ulta Contour Kit. And inside of that, I'm going to use the shade Goddess Bronzer. And I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics brush, and this is in the number 3. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC highlighter, and this is in the shade Oh Darling. For lashes today, I'm going to be using Lashed by Shay, and these are in the style Lush. So for my lip liner today, I'm going to be using the Tarte lip liner, and this is in the color Squad. So I'm going to go over top of that with a little bit of Ofra, and this is called Verona. So for my gloss today, I'm going to be using the Ulta Infused Lip Oil, and this is in Black Raspberry. Last, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus Go Light. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys again so much for tuning into another one of my videos. Please make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, join the family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.